Alright, so here's how to delete everything from your laptop. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for the settings. There you go. Then open up the settings. Then on the left side you need to select the system. Then from here you need to scroll it down until you find this option, recovery. You need to open it up. And then from here you need to select reset this PC. Alright, just tap on that. And then from here you need to select remove everything. It will take some time. And then simply select the local reinstall. So it will reinstall the file from the local. Rather than that, you can select the cloud download, but I will suggest to reinstall from the local. So that's how you can simply do it, and you can remove everything from your laptop as well as it will work on your PC. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.